y'all want to see how I recreated this look from Briana Marie, y'all better keep it locked.
Subscribe!
Hey y'all, today I'm here shooting another video for you all, and today's video is actually a collaboration between myself and Arianna Jolié. Now you can see her video on this card right here, right? Arianna does a lot of makeup looks and stuff like that. She's a new YouTuber, so check her out. So today I was inspired to create this look by Briana Marie. Yes, y'all know she be out here repping for Team Dark Skin with all these really bright makeup looks and stuff like that. So I love her look so much that I decided I'm gonna try this particular one here. I didn't have the white liner to put below and I didn't 100% copy it, but you know what? I tried, okay? So this is Brianna's look here. And this is my look here. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you! And to everyone who is new, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button if you all are interested on watching DIY videos, if you all are interested on seeing me recreate other looks and doing other makeup looks. Hit that subscribe button. If you all are interested in anything to do with natural hair, hit that subscribe button. I do braid videos, I do all kinds of stuff. So hit that subscribe button if you all are interested in more of me. Without further ado guys, let's get started. Hey guys, so I've already went on ahead and put on my concealer and foundation off camera, and I did my brows off camera. So now the first step I'm going to do is start applying eyeshadow, and I'm going into my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm applying this orange shade. Is a light orange shade right here. This next in my Coastal Scents palette, this shade here. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics palette and I'm going to use this darker orange shade right here. Alright, so I'm going into my Coastal Scents palette again and I'm using this really dark blue again. I don't like how this is looking, so I'm going to put a little bit more up. I'm going back with a little bit more orange and put to the top right here because I'm not seeing my transition how I want to. So I went ahead and I put some more down here because I watched the look and I noticed she put some color down there. So okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease, my partial crease, with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. So now I'm going into my Marc Jacobs palette. So it's this shimmery, it's a sort of shimmery shade, shimmery gold shade called Next Season. I'm gonna use this green right here from my BH Cosmetics matte palette. Alright, so now I'm going in with this really dark green shade from my Coastal Scents palette. Now I'm going to mix the two greens together so that we could get rid of the line of demarcation. So I'm going back in with the lighter green and the dark green mixed together. So now I'm going to put on my eyeliner and mascara and falsies off camera and I'll be back. Now I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup and I'm gonna bake. So now that I've done that, I'm just going in with the same dark blue shade that I used and I'm going to put it below my eyes using the same crease brush. Now I'm going in with my Arista matte brown and I'm going to contour with that. Now I'm going to brush off my Sasha Buttercup and brush it off. Yo, my neighbor has been playing music loud all freaking day and he finally lowered it down. So I'm like, he probably got a phone call. Yeah. And as soon as he comes off that phone, you're gonna see that music is going back up. So now that that's over with, I'm gonna put on my blush, which is the LA Girl Spice Palette. As clockwork, my Profusion highlight. I believe that shade is Passion. I told you he was on the phone. He just came off the phone, the music is back up again. Like, really? Y'all know I messed up, right? I didn't put on my face powder. Okay, so I'm gonna have to glorify my face again, but let me put on my powder. On to lips, and for lips I'm just going to line my lip with a dark brown lip liner, and then I'm going to use my LA Girl lipstick in the shade Tell Me Lies. That's my LA Girl Tell Me Lies. I really love this. It's a really nice shade. I always have to go in with a lip gloss. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna ask you all to subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see the subscribe picture right here. So subscribe, hit that picture, you'll subscribe to me, and if you all are interested in watching other makeup videos, you could see it over on this side right here, and there's supposed to be some other video somewhere there too. And y'all leave a comment on what makeup looks you all are gonna be rocking this season, and also what makeup look do you all think I should recreate? Are there any video ideas? Y'all leave a comment. What videos do you think I should do? Trini Mom Beauty is out, guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and bye.